First, press and hold the car door lock for 10 seconds. And the auto lock function of the car is set. Second, press and hold the glass lift switch for 5 seconds and then press it once to directly rise to the top. Third, during normal driving, once this red sign lights up, it indicates that there is lack of oil, or the oil sensor plug is damaged, so you must stop and check in time. Fourth, when the vehicle is driving, this red icon suddenly lights up. It is a reminder that the brake fluid is lacking. Please stop for maintenance and check. Fifth, once the battery light comes on when the vehicle starts, it means that the battery is out of power or needs to be replaced. Please check and repair it in time.